Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create polls on Instagram Reels. So let's get right into it. Now, I know of two methods and I'm going to show you both of them. However, the first method has changed as far as I can tell from the past, so I'm not really sure about how you can do it right now, but I'll be mentioning it anyway, so well, you guys could probably figure it out. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start creating a reel, and I'm going to record just a short video without any content, and then I'm going to click next. Then I'm going to swipe up, and here you can add stickers from this editing section. Here, as you can see, you have a couple of different options, and however, if I select poll, usually this would have given you the poll option. For me, it doesn't for some reason, so let me just try it again. It should be somewhere here, and as you can see, I have the option for a quiz, have the option for a slider, have the option for other things. However, I don't have any polls. Now you can add the quiz, and that can sort of serve as your poll if you search through the answers of the quiz, if you can, or you can just use the slider if it's from scale, if it's a spectrum from the left to the right. But other than that, I can't really find any poll over here in the stickers, which was the method used previously. Now I'm just going to go into next, and I'm going to go over here to the new reel finalization section. I'm going to click on the caption, and here you can add a poll in the caption as well. So I'll just name the question test, and I'm going to add yes, no, maybe, and definitely not as an example. And then I'm just gonna write yes here and no here, even though they're the defaults, but I don't want to risk it. Once you're done, just click OK, and once you post this reel, that poll will be within the caption of the video, and people can vote over there. And that's pretty much the most secure option I know of, since the stickers no longer work. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.